Sometimes you can get it to the inside reverse fold you make is the tighter it grips a finger, so it can stay on your finger. And yeah, Eagle. This is America's. You're going to whichever side you want to be your front or back. The one that you start on, the color of this tail, and the color you don't start on will be the color of the main thing. You're basically just going to fold that down, and we are again going to make a water bomb base. And just like that. Now fold these down. I am going a little bit quicker because we have already done this. And now, big pocket, squash it down. Okay. Now, you're going to fold this edge to the center. And you're done. So yeah, it kind of looks like an airplane. Okay, I'm just kidding. Fold that over and then squash it. And now, oh wait, no. You also have to fold these here to the center. Like that, and just pedal fold this. So fold on these creases, just fold up and squash. Okay, now we can flip it over, squash fold this. Look on the other side to make sure that it's in the center. And now, fold this entire edge to the center. Just like that. Thin it out a little bit. And this will be our tail. And the other side will be our head. Okay, so like that, this will be our head. And now you're going to fold this point down to, imagine if this line was right there. So pretty much right there. And then fold in half, and it is very likely for it to tear right there because my paper is kind of thick. Now, just fold this over on this edge and then squash it. This is just to thin out the wings. And this should be parallel to that. Or you should make it, at least. Now you fold that forward and basically just kind of pinch it or rabbit ear fold it. And that is, in fact, our kind of like talons. It's pretty underwhelming, but hey, simple stuff is underwhelming. So just don't complain. Now, for the tail, you're going to kind of like outside reverse fold it, kind of, so that it looks more like a tail and it's spread more. So like that. And now, basically all you're gonna do is outside reverse fold that, like that, and then just crimp, I guess, it so that it looks like that. And now, inside reverse fold it so that it hooks down just a little bit. And yeah, that is the finished eagle. And sometimes you can get it to stay on your finger, but not with this one. So with this one, there's no grip. So basically, you can basically, oh my, too much basicallys. You need a basically counter, bro. So the bigger the inside reverse fold you make is, the tighter it grips a finger. So yeah, you can just do what you did to the beak and do it to the legs, and yeah, it can stay on your finger. So that's cool. And now I can have 2 pet birds. But unfortunately, I have to vaporize them with the snap of my finger and replace them with a jaguar. So let's just do 3, 2, 1. Bye bye.
Thank you for coming to the paper playground. See you next time.